Hi, I'm Andrea from WA Excavator Hire, and today we're going to talk about how to safely operate a mini excavator. Today we're looking at the Kubota K008.3. All of our machines have stickers outlining the personal protective equipment that must be used when operating a mini excavator. We also require you to scan the QR code and read the manufacturer's operator's manual before using any of our equipment. Greg will now take you through the finer details of operating the machine.
Whilst the Kubota K008.3 may appear to be a small machine, it still presents the same hazards and risks that some of our larger machines present. It's important before operating any excavator that you ensure the surrounding area is clear of animals, children, overhead cabling, and be aware of any drainage or cables that may be underneath the Earth's surface. Dial Before You Dig is available by dialing 1100 a few days before you intend to use the machine. This will provide schematics of any drainage or hazards beneath the Earth's surface. Andrea went through personal protective equipment and pointed out the safety stickers and QR codes located on our machines. I would recommend that you do familiarise yourself with the PPE that is required to ensure your own safety and that of people around you. When climbing on board, always ensure 3 points of contact. There's a handle located on the rollover protection bar and another along the front of the controls of the machine. Step up onto the control surface. Once seated, there's an adjustment handle on the lower right-hand side of the seat. It's important, whenever using an excavator, that we firmly attach the seat belt prior to starting the machine up. Start the excavator. The lock lever prevents operation of the boom, the arm and the bucket. By unlocking the lever, the machine is now live. To raise the boom, pull back on the right lever. To lower the boom, push forward on the right lever. To curl the bucket, move the right lever to the left. To uncurl the bucket, move the right lever to the right. The left lever moves the arm in, and pushing it forward extends the arm away from the machine. Moving the left lever left and right slews the house of the machine. The two control levers can directly control the left and right tracks. To move forward, move both levers together. To move backward, move the levers aft. To turn the machine to the right, we move the left lever forward more than the one to the right. It's important to note, if the house is reversed, the control levers still operate in the same sense. By moving the levers forward in this position, the machine will move in the opposite direction. To raise the blade, pull back on this lever. To lower the blade, push forward. The Kubota K008.3 has a unique feature where you can offset the boom, allowing you to dig trenches close up to buildings. The pedal on the right-hand side allows left and right movement of the boom. There are two pedals located on the left-hand side of the machine The larger one, used to operate any auxiliaries such as post hole augers or rock breakers. The smaller pedal, used to provide extra acceleration when travelling forward or aft. The Kubota K008.3 is a narrow access excavator. With the tracks retracted, the width of the machine is as little as 700 millimetres. I'm now going to demonstrate how to move the tracks from 860 millimetres to 700 millimetres. We start by lowering the blade and lifting the front of the machine off the ground. We then slew the machine. at 180 degrees. And lower the boom to raise the machine up off the ground. The lever on the floor of the house converts the blade handle to now the operating handle to change the tracks. By pushing forward, the tracks are now in the narrow position. Putting the lever on the floor back to the original position now gives us control of the blade. The final step is to remove the pins on the blade and fold in the tips to allow the blade to transverse 700 millimetres. When operating in the narrow position, we need to remove the extensions on the blade. Start by removing the pin, fold the extensions in and reinsert the pin. In this position, the blade will be the same width as the tracks and allow you to access areas as low as 700 millimetres in width. Repeat this function on the other side. If extra clearance is required above the machine, such as when trailered, the ROPS can be lowered by removing this retaining pin on both sides of the machine. Remove the pin, lower the arm and reapply the retaining pin on both sides. Remember, prior to operating the machine, ensure the rollover protection is returned to its operating position. Remove the retaining clip and place it back in to the locked position on both sides. This concludes the video today on how to operate a K008.3. Remember, for any digger or narrow access machine hire requirements, give us a call at WA Excavator Hire on 0466 964 739 or locate us on the web at waexcavatorhire.com.au.